Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to verify your age on Roblox so you can finally enable voice chat and talk to your friends in-game. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Before we start clicking buttons, you need to have one thing ready: a valid government-issued ID. Roblox requires this to prove you are over 13 for safety reasons. Make sure you have your driver's license, passport, or ID card handy. Also, ensure your room is well lit because you will need to take a photo of it. Now, log into your Roblox account on your computer or phone. If you are on a computer, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to open your account preferences. Now we are going to start the actual verification system. In the Account Info tab, look right under your birthday. You should see a button that says Verify My Age. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear with a QR code. Grab your smartphone and open your camera app. Scan that QR code, which will redirect you to a secure Roblox web page on your phone. Follow the prompts on your phone. First, tap Start Session. Allow camera access when asked, then take a clear photo of the front of your ID. Flip your ID over and take a photo of the back if requested. Finally, the system will ask for a quick selfie to match your face to the ID photo. Don't worry, this data isn't stored publicly. Once the system says Verification Complete, which usually takes just a second, we can finally flip the switch. Head back to your computer screen or the main settings menu. Click on the Privacy tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see the Microphone and Camera Input section. You will now see a toggle specifically for Use Microphone to chat with voice. Click that toggle to turn it from gray to green. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you agree to the rules. Click Enable. And that's it. You now know how to fully verify your account and turn on voice chat so you can hear and speak to other players in supported experiences. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.